Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port on your Oppo Reno 8 Lite device. So firstly I have to tell you that if you don't want to damage your USB charging port or your moisture protection in your USB charging port, never use metal objects to clean the connector. So I suggest use an old toothbrush which you no longer use, or any plastic object or any wood object. So cool, let's start. As you can see, there is something in my USB charging port that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So take the cover off if you have the cover, and insert the one part of the brush in the USB connector. So insert just only one part and try to pry the dirt out. So cool, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, comment this video, and bye, see you.